BOSCH 1617 EVS and RA1171 router table bundle review. Precision, power, and cleaner workflow. You ever clamp a handheld router upside down to scrap plywood and call it a router table? I did that for 2 years in my garage, nudging boards past a screaming bit and hoping the fence wouldn't shift mid-cut. It worked. Barely. Type ready if you're tired of pretending your setup is fine, because deep down, you know it isn't. Lost time adjusting makeshift fences, fine dust floating everywhere, that low-key stress of wondering if today's cut will wander offline. It gets mentally draining fast. I once ruined a maple face frame because the board tipped a hair during a roundover. Small mistake, big frustration. But here's the shift. What if stability and control were built in from the start? That's where the BOSCH 1617 EVS and RA1171 router table bundle changes the conversation. Don't just buy any router table bundle. Make sure it has microfine bit depth adjustment, so you never suffer from uneven flush trims again. The 12-amp 2.25 horsepower router gives you steady torque for large panel raising bits without that nervous stall feeling. The variable speed dial from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM lets you match bit size to material instead of guessing. The aluminum mounting plate stays rigid, so alignment holds during heavy cuts. I still remember feeding a long oak apron across the laminated MDF top and feeling it glide smoothly instead of wobbling. Quiet confidence. Another time, dialing the microfine adjustment just a fraction made the difference between almost flush and perfect edge banding. The dual 2.5-inch dust ports actually pull chips from both fence and base, which keeps your sightline clean. Here's the part most overlook. The wooden handles mean you can lift the 1617 EVS off the table for detailed handheld inlay work without fatigue. Once you run the BOSCH 1617 EVS and RA1171 router table bundle as a dedicated router station, the workflow shift feels immediate. Hours saved on setup turn into more time shaping joinery. Cleaner cuts mean less sanding. Less sanding means projects move faster and look sharper. A cabinet maker told me it just doesn't bog down in maple, even with big bits. A small shop owner said the dual 2.5-inch dust ports keep his bench surprisingly clean during stair trim runs. Even online reviewers casually call it a workhorse because it holds alignment day after day. I watched a friend switch from a clamped plywood rig to this system and finish his raised panel doors in half the time. No drama. Which matters more to you? Cleaner cuts or cleaner air? The adjustable MDF fence faces allow a near zero clearance setup, something usually seen on pricier freestanding tables. And yes, it's benchtop sized, but that compact footprint fits smaller garages without sacrificing surface support. That balance is why many serious hobbyists quietly move to this setup once they outgrow entry-level gear. The BOSCH 1617 EVS and RA1171 router table bundle isn't flashy. It's steady, precise, and built to remove friction from your woodworking. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their router station and stopped fighting their tools. Demand for reliable mid-tier systems keeps growing as more hobbyists step up their game. Simple truth. If you're ready to route with confidence instead of caution, check the first link in the description and see if this bundle fits your shop.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.